Investing is about stories, finding companies with a vision and the grit to turn that plan into reality. We search for companies that are solving real problems in new and exciting ways. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. The most successful companies are the ones that can adapt and lead the change. We are looking for the future champions, the businesses that will define the next decade. They are often found in sectors that are undergoing massive transformation. In this essay, we will explore one such company, Fast Track Group, or FTRK. So, what is Fast Track Group? The name suggests speed and efficiency. FTRK operates in digital solutions and logistics, the backbone of global commerce. It helps businesses grow in the digital age by providing a suite of services. Think of FTRK as a partner for modern businesses. It offers solutions from e-commerce platforms to supply chain management. This integrated approach sets it apart, simplifying complexity. FTRK is helping to build the infrastructure for the digital shift. It focuses on practical, effective solutions that deliver real results. Every company has a story. For Fast Track Group, 2024 could be a very exciting new chapter. This is what investors often call an inflection point. It's a moment when a company's past efforts begin to pay off in a big way, and its growth trajectory starts to accelerate. Several factors are converging to create this potential turning point for FTRK. The market is right. The company has proven its model, and it appears ready to scale its operations to a whole new level. It's the convergence of preparation and opportunity. The demand is already there, and FTRK is positioned to capture it. Second, FTRK has reached a critical stage of maturity. Now it has a track record of success. Finally, the company appears to be making strategic moves to capitalize on this moment. For investors, timing is everything. The signs suggest that for FTRK, that time could be now. When we evaluate a company, it's easy to get lost in the numbers. Revenue, profit margins, and earnings per share are all important metrics, but they only tell part of the story. Behind every successful stock chart is a story of human effort, smart decisions, and relentless execution. The story of Fast Track Group is a story of growth in its truest sense. It's not just about financial metrics getting bigger, it's about a company expanding its capabilities, deepening its relationships with customers, and strengthening its position in the market. This qualitative growth is often a leading indicator of future financial success. Consider the journey of a typical FTRK customer. A business might start with a basic e-commerce package. As that business succeeds and grows, its needs become more complex. It might need more advanced logistics support, data analytics to understand its customers better, or international shipping capabilities. Because FTRK offers an integrated ecosystem, it can grow alongside its clients. It can seamlessly provide these additional services. This creates a powerful and sticky customer relationship. The client has no reason to look elsewhere because FTRK is evolving with them. This is a story of shared success, which is the most sustainable business model of all. This narrative of partnership extends to the company's culture and strategy. FTRK has built its reputation not on aggressive marketing, but on delivering real, measurable value. Word of mouth and customer testimonials appear to be a significant driver of its growth. This is a sign of a healthy business. It means the company's products and services are so good that its customers become its best salespeople. This organic growth is far more powerful and cost-effective than growth that is purely bought through advertising. It indicates a deep alignment between what the company promises and what it delivers. Therefore, as we move through this analysis, we will look at FTRK through two lenses. We will examine the hard numbers and the financial performance because these are essential for any investment decision, but we will also pay close attention to the underlying story. We will look at the quality of its products, the strength of its customer relationships, and the vision of its leadership. Because in the long run, it is the story that drives the numbers, not the other way around. Understanding this narrative of authentic growth is the key to understanding the full potential of Fast Track Group in 2024 and beyond. And every great company begins with an idea. Fast Track Group was born from seeing a gap. Small businesses struggling to compete in e-commerce. They lacked the resources of larger competitors. The idea? Provide sophisticated tools in an affordable, user-friendly package. Starting small, they focused on a reliable foundation. Early years were defined by development and listening to customers. This customer-centric approach became a cornerstone. From humble beginnings, Fast Track Group began its ascent, evolving into a digital powerhouse. Fast Track Group's strength lies in its interconnected services, its ecosystem of commerce. It's a unified platform where every component works in harmony. The ecosystem manages the entire customer transaction lifecycle. The first pillar is the digital storefront. The second pillar is integrated logistics. Once an order is placed, the platform's logistics engine kicks in. The final pillar is growth intelligence. The platform includes tools for digital marketing, CRM, and data analytics. FTRK provides a complete end-to-end solution for modern commerce. Fast Track Group stands out in the crowded digital economy by offering an integrated platform that combines e-commerce, logistics, and marketing technology. Unlike competitors that require businesses to juggle multiple providers, FTRK delivers a seamless, all-in-one solution especially tailored for small and medium-sized enterprises. This focus on SMEs is strategic. They need robust tools, but lack the resources for complex systems. FTRK's platform simplifies operations, providing real-time insights into inventory, shipping, and marketing, all in one place. As the world shifts online, FTRK's unified approach gives businesses the efficiency and data-driven edge they need to thrive. In a market where precision and integration are everything, FTRK's cohesive system is its greatest competitive advantage. Fast Track Group's success is driven by a leadership team that blends founder vision with deep industry expertise. Their mission to be the essential operating system for modern commerce, focusing on customer success above all. This team prioritizes innovation, strategic expansion, and operational excellence, constantly evolving the platform and exploring new markets. Their customer-centric approach is embedded in every decision, building lasting partnerships with clients. Investors and clients alike are drawn to this disciplined, forward-thinking leadership. With the right mix of experience and ambition, FTRK's team is poised to lead the company through its next phase of growth. Fast Track Group's journey is marked by key milestones that prove its growth and resilience. Reaching 1,000 active business clients validated its platform and attracted further investment. Processing over 1 million orders in a year showcased the system's scalability and reliability. Achieving profitability set FTRK apart from many tech peers, demonstrating a sustainable business model. International expansion proved the platform's adaptability and opened vast new markets. Each milestone has built confidence among clients and investors. FTRK's evolution from startup to global contender is a testament to its strategic execution. FTRK's greatest asset is its fiercely loyal customer base. The platform's integrated ecosystem makes it the operational backbone for clients, creating high switching costs and deep partnerships. Customers stay not just for convenience but because FTRK genuinely drives their growth and success. Exceptional customer support and consultative service turn users into brand advocates. This loyalty is reflected in strong recurring revenue and organic growth. FTRK's community of users sees the platform as indispensable. Customer loyalty fuels the company's stability and future expansion. FTRK's innovation is at the heart of its success. The one-click fulfillment system streamlines logistics, saving clients time and money. The intelligence dashboard transforms data into actionable insights, empowering small businesses with enterprise-level analytics. Global Connect breaks down barriers to international sales, automating complex cross-border processes. EcoTrack tools help clients make sustainable choices, aligning with modern consumer values. Each breakthrough delivers immediate value and strengthens FTRK's leadership in the market. FTRK's commitment to practical, forward-thinking solutions keeps it ahead of the curve. FTRK's expansion is both strategic and disciplined. The company enters new markets methodically, building local teams and adapting to each region's needs. It has diversified into new industry verticals, customizing solutions for sectors like subscription services and food and beverage. Moving up market, FTRK now serves larger clients with advanced features and dedicated support. Strategic partnerships and a robust API ecosystem have expanded the platform's capabilities without heavy internal investment. This approach has made FTRK's ecosystem more valuable and resilient. FTRK's smart, calculated growth ensures it captures new opportunities while strengthening its core business. While customer growth and financial performance are critical measures of success, a company's achievements are also validated by recognition from its peers and the industry at large. Over the years, Fast Track Group has accumulated an impressive collection of awards and accolades that underscore its reputation for excellence. The company has consistently been named a leader in industry reports from prominent technology research firms, which evaluate e-commerce and logistics platforms. These recognitions are based on rigorous analysis of the company's product capabilities, market presence, and customer satisfaction scores, serving as a powerful third-party endorsement of FTRK's superior offering and strategic vision. The company's leadership has also been celebrated for its innovative spirit and business acumen. FTRK's CEO was recently honored with the Innovator of the Year award by a major business publication, a testament to the forward-thinking vision that guides the company. Such awards do more than just decorate an office lobby. They enhance the company's brand, attract top-tier talent, and open doors to new strategic partnerships. When industry experts and the business community publicly recognize a company's leadership as exceptional, it builds a level of credibility and trust that can be a significant competitive differentiator in a crowded marketplace, signaling to all stakeholders that the company is in capable hands. Beyond product and leadership awards, Fast Track Group has also been consistently recognized as a great place to work. This achievement speaks volumes about the company's internal culture. A positive and supportive work environment is essential for fostering the innovation, collaboration, and dedication required to deliver exceptional customer experiences. This recognition is a direct result of the company's investment in its people, offering competitive benefits, professional development opportunities, and a mission-driven culture. A happy and engaged workforce is a productive workforce, leading to lower employee turnover and a higher quality of service, which ultimately translates into a better experience for FTRK's clients. This collection of industry accolades forms a compelling narrative of achievement. It shows that FTRK is not just succeeding by its own metrics, but is being recognized as a best-in-class operator by impartial experts, the business community, and its own employees. For investors, this external validation provides an additional layer of confidence. It suggests that the company's success is not a fluke but the result of a sustained commitment to excellence across all facets of its business. This well-earned reputation is a powerful asset that reinforces the company's market position and enhances its prospects for continued success in the years to come. The biggest opportunity for Fast Track Group is already happening. We are living through a fundamental shift in how the world does business. The move to online commerce is powerful and far from its peak. This creates a vast opportunity for FTRK. The digital shift is permeating every corner of the economy. The company's platform is suited to serve this expanding client base. As e-commerce expands, so does the market for FTRK's services. Meeting customer expectations is a monumental challenge for small businesses. This makes FTRK an essential partner for competitiveness. The pie itself is growing larger every year. The company is positioned on one of the most powerful economic currents of our generation. While headlines focus on corporate giants, the true engine of most economies is small and medium-sized enterprises. Yet this segment has been underserved by technology providers. Enterprise-grade solutions are too expensive, while basic tools aren't powerful enough. FTRK's platform provides enterprise-level power with small business simplicity and affordability. The opportunity is about growing with customers, offering a scalable ecosystem to support their entire journey. The success of FTRK's clients translates into revenue growth, aligning interests in a true partnership. The SME sector is increasingly tech-savvy, with a new generation of digital natives demanding intuitive tools. This focus on SMEs provides resilience, diversifying revenue across thousands of businesses for financial stability. Fast Track Group has built a formidable business on the foundation of e-commerce and logistics for physical goods. However, a significant market opportunity lies in expanding its platform's capabilities to serve new and adjacent service verticals. The core infrastructure FTRK has built, a platform for managing customers, processing payments, and analyzing data, is highly adaptable. The company can leverage this existing technology stack to create tailored solutions for businesses that don't just sell physical products in a box. This strategic expansion can open up entirely new revenue streams and dramatically increase the company's total addressable market without having to start from scratch. One major area of opportunity is the booming creator economy. Millions of independent creators, from YouTubers and podcasters to artists and writers, are building businesses around their digital content. They need tools to manage their audience, sell subscriptions, merchandise, and digital products like ebooks or online courses. FTRK can adapt its platform to cater specifically to this market, offering features for membership management, digital content delivery, and community engagement tools. By becoming the operating system for this new generation of entrepreneurs, FTRK can tap into one of the most dynamic and fastest-growing segments of the digital economy, diversifying its client base beyond traditional retail. Another promising vertical is the business-to-business e-commerce market. While consumer e-commerce gets most of the attention, the market for online transactions between businesses is actually much larger. B2B sales often involve more complexity such as custom pricing for different clients, bulk ordering, and purchase orders. FTRK has an opportunity to build out a more robust set of B2B features on its platform, enabling manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors to streamline their sales processes. This would allow FTRK to capture a share of a massive and highly lucrative market that is still in the early stages of its digital transformation, providing a long runway for growth. Finally, the company can expand deeper into financial services for its clients. FTRK already processes payments, giving it valuable data on the financial health and cash flow of the businesses on its platform. This presents an opportunity to offer ancillary financial products, such as small business loans, lines of credit, or insurance, tailored specifically for e-commerce merchants. Because FTRK has deep insight into a business's sales performance, it can underwrite these financial products with lower risk than a traditional bank. This move into embedded finance could create a highly profitable new business line while providing immense value and convenience to its loyal customer base. The global stage represents Fast Track Group's single largest market opportunity. Many competitors are focused on North America and Western Europe, leaving fast-growing regions in Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe underserved. A strategic international expansion plan could unlock exponential growth, transforming FTRK into a global powerhouse. An exciting opportunity is to target emerging markets where e-commerce is rapidly growing. FTRK can become the operating system for a new generation of entrepreneurs, securing decades of future growth. In the modern economy, data is often called the new oil. For Fast Track Group, the vast amount of data flowing through its integrated ecosystem represents a monumental and sustainable market opportunity. Every transaction, every shipment, and every marketing click on its platform generates a valuable data point. Unlike competitors who only see one piece of the puzzle, like just storefront sales or just shipping, FTRK has a holistic, end-to-end view of a business's entire commercial activity. This unique, unified dataset is an incredibly powerful asset that can be leveraged to create a deep and lasting competitive advantage that is, honestly, nearly impossible for others to replicate. The most immediate opportunity is to use this data to make the platform itself smarter. By applying machine learning and artificial intelligence to its aggregate data, FTRK can provide its clients with increasingly sophisticated and predictive insights. Imagine a platform that doesn't just report past sales but accurately forecasts future demand for specific products, automatically suggests optimal inventory levels for each fulfillment center, and recommends the most profitable marketing channels to invest in. This transforms FTRK from a passive tool into an active, intelligent co-pilot for business owners, delivering a level of value that goes far beyond basic operational support and makes the platform indispensable. This data advantage also creates opportunities for benchmarking and industry intelligence. FTRK can provide its clients with anonymized, aggregated data showing how their business is performing relative to their peers. A coffee bean seller, for example, could see how their online conversion rate or average shipping cost compares to other specialty coffee businesses on the platform. This type of actionable insight is incredibly valuable for strategic planning and helps businesses identify areas for improvement. By becoming the source of truth for industry performance metrics, FTRK can further embed itself into the strategic fabric of its clients' operations, increasing stickiness and reinforcing its market leadership. Ultimately, this data moat is a self-reinforcing cycle. The more clients that use the FTRK platform, the more data it collects. The more data it collects, the smarter and more valuable its predictive insights become. The more valuable the platform becomes, the more new clients it attracts. This virtuous cycle, known as a network effect, creates an ever-widening gap between FTRK and its competitors. While others can try to copy its features, they cannot copy its data. This unique asset is the key to FTRK's long-term defensibility and represents perhaps its single greatest opportunity for creating enduring value for its clients and its investors. When assessing a company's financial health, we often start with revenue. Revenue, or the top line, is the total income before expenses. Fast Track Group has shown impressive revenue growth, driven by new customers and growth from existing customers, measured by net revenue retention. A significant portion of FTRK's revenue is recurring, a very attractive model for investors, providing stability and visibility. The outlook for FTRK's top-line growth remains bright, with vast market opportunities. While growing revenue is exciting, a healthy business must eventually show a profit, or the bottom line. For many young, high-growth companies, achieving profitability can be a long and difficult journey. This makes Fast Track Group's financial story so compelling. A key indicator of this is the company's gross margin. This scalability is a powerful financial characteristic. In business, operating leverage means that as revenue grows, profits grow at an even faster rate. The achievement of consistent profitability is a major turning point for any company. For investors, it reduces risk and signals that FTRK has built a durable business. FTRK's financial statements reveal a company built on a solid foundation. Its balance sheet shows a healthy cash position and low debt. Positive cash flow from operations indicates the business is generating cash from its core activities. A healthy LTV to CAC ratio shows efficient marketing investments. These metrics paint a picture of smart, sustainable growth, providing stability and a path for profitable expansion. This disciplined approach gives investors confidence in FTRK's future success. How a company chooses to spend its money is one of the most important decisions its leadership makes. This is known as capital allocation. A company can use its profits and cash to pay dividends to shareholders, buy back its own stock, acquire other companies, or reinvest back into its own business to fuel future growth. For a company like Fast Track Group, which is still in a high-growth phase, the most logical and value-creating strategy is to reinvest heavily in its own future. The financial data shows that this is precisely what FTRK is doing, making smart, forward-looking investments to strengthen its competitive advantages and expand its opportunities. A significant portion of FTRK's capital is being allocated to research and development, or R&D. This is the lifeblood of any technology company. These investments are not just an expense, they are the seeds of future revenue streams. This spending funds the teams of engineers and product designers who are building the next generation of FTRK's platform, developing new features like the intelligence dashboard, expanding into new verticals like B2B commerce, and making the entire ecosystem faster, more secure, and easier to use. This consistent commitment to innovation ensures that FTRK's product remains best in class and stays ahead of the competition. Another key area of investment is sales and marketing, particularly for international expansion. As we've seen, the global opportunity for FTRK is immense. The company is strategically allocating capital to enter new geographic markets. This involves more than just advertising. It includes the cost of setting up local teams, building partnerships with regional logistics providers, and adapting the platform for local languages and regulations. While these investments may take time to pay off, they are essential for capturing the long-term global growth opportunity. This demonstrates a leadership team with a clear vision and the discipline to invest today for the rewards of tomorrow. Ultimately, FTRK's approach to capital allocation inspires confidence. The leadership team is acting like prudent owners, deploying the company's financial resources in a way that is clearly designed to maximize long-term value. They are not chasing short-term fads or making reckless acquisitions. Instead, they are methodically investing in the core drivers of their business product innovation, customer acquisition, and geographic expansion. This thoughtful and strategic deployment of capital is perhaps the strongest financial highlight of all, as it shows a clear and credible plan to turn today's success into an even more dominant and profitable enterprise in the future. No company operates in a vacuum. The world of technology and commerce is a highly competitive arena, presenting a constant risk for Fast Track Group. The e-commerce and logistics market will always draw in new rivals. FTRK faces competition from large e-commerce platforms and specialized logistics giants. It must continuously innovate to maintain its position. The primary risk is pricing pressure that erodes profit margins. Another threat comes from technology giants like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. FTRK's leadership must always consider this in their long-term strategic planning. To mitigate these risks, FTRK must relentlessly focus on its unique strengths. Growth is exciting, but it is also dangerous. Rapid expansion, if not managed carefully, can strain a company to its breaking point. This represents a significant operational challenge for Fast Track Group. As the company onboards thousands of new clients and expands into new countries, the complexity of its operations increases exponentially. The logistics network must handle more packages, the technology platform must support more traffic, and the customer support team must answer more inquiries. Ensuring that the quality of service remains high across this expanding footprint is a monumental task. Any slip-ups, like shipping delays, website crashes, or slow support, can damage the company's hard-won reputation. The physical logistics side of the business is particularly challenging to scale. Building and managing a network of warehouses and shipping partners around the world is a capital-intensive and complex endeavor. FTRK must ensure that every fulfillment center in its network, whether owned or partnered, adheres to the same high standards of speed and accuracy. A problem in one part of the chain can have ripple effects throughout the entire system. As the company grows, it faces the challenge of maintaining tight quality control over a sprawling and geographically diverse operation. This requires sophisticated management systems, deep operational expertise, and significant ongoing investment in infrastructure. Scaling the human element of the business is another critical hurdle. FTRK's reputation is built not just on its technology, but on its people and its customer-centric culture. As the company hires hundreds of new employees in different countries, it faces the challenge of maintaining that unique culture. It must effectively train new team members, from software engineers to support agents, to ensure they embody the company's values and commitment to customer success. Diluting this culture in the pursuit of rapid growth would be a critical mistake, as it is one of the company's most important intangible assets and a key reason why customers choose to partner with them. To address these challenges, FTRK must invest heavily in its core infrastructure, both technological and human. This means building more automation into its processes, using data analytics to predict and prevent operational bottlenecks, and developing robust training and development programs for its global workforce. The leadership team must balance the desire for rapid growth with the need for sustainable, high-quality execution. The ability to scale gracefully, without sacrificing the quality and culture that made the company successful in the first place, will be a defining test for FTRK in the years ahead, and a key risk for investors to monitor closely. Fast Track Group's success is influenced by the broader economy, making the company susceptible to macroeconomic risks. An economic downturn could lead to a slowdown in consumer spending and higher rates of small business failures. A prolonged economic slump would act as a headwind against the company's growth. Another risk comes from the ever-changing regulatory landscape, which can be costly. Consumer trends and technological paradigms can shift in unpredictable ways. FTRK must avoid becoming complacent and keep its finger on the pulse of emerging trends. The company's leadership must be adept at steering the ship through these potentially stormy waters by maintaining a strong balance sheet. We began with a simple idea. Investing is about finding great companies that are actively building the future. Fast Track Group is such a story. It addresses the struggle of using complicated tools by creating a single integrated ecosystem. It combines a digital storefront, sophisticated logistics, and intelligent data analysis. It provides an operating system for modern commerce, building loyal customers. FTRK is riding the wave of global e-commerce, serving the underserved SME market. Competition is fierce, but FTRK's strong foundation and strategic vision make it well-equipped to face these challenges. Fast Track Group presents a compelling narrative worth paying close attention to. This is not a stock tip, and investing always carries risk. Rather, it's a company at a pivotal point, poised for accelerated growth. It has the right product, in the right market, at the right time. FTRK wins when its customers win, a powerful formula for sustainable success. Client success will be a key indicator of the company's future. Investing requires patience. Fast Track Group invites a long-term view, built for the next decade. Keep Fast Track Group on your radar and watch the story of a company enabling entrepreneurship.